Your home is a healthy, happy environment for your family. Keep it that way with a thorough air duct cleaning by our certified expert cleaning specialists. Improve your home's indoor air quality and ensure your HVAC system is running smoothly, potentially lowering your energy bill. Plus, reduce the risk of a dryer fire to keep your home and family safe. Your family will breathe easier with cleaner and healthier indoor air quality, and you could notice improvement in symptoms of common respiratory conditions too. We offer the industry's best 100% unconditional satisfaction guarantee. We're not happy until you are. Take care of your air ducts and dryer systems, and they'll take care of you. We've got your deep clean needs covered for the long term. Our COIT Loyal program offers exclusive benefits for our customers. Call us today for a free in-home inspection and estimate. It's not clean until it's COIT clean.